My name is Alex Panel. I'm the owner of the Panel Project and founder of the Panel Performance Group. My job title is an occupational therapist and a performance specialist. I currently have offices above 300 Fitness in Pontotoc and Premier Fitness in Tupelo. In my role, I help active adults and athletes move better, recover from injuries, and perform at their best. My day-to-day includes a mix of hands-on therapy like stretching, cupping, and mobility work, as well as teaching proper exercise techniques and helping people prevent future injuries. I also partner with local gyms and schools to run workshops and clinics. On a typical day, I might work one-on-one with a client to improve balance, mobility, and strength. I might use tools like soft tissue therapy, resistance bands, or mobility drills to help with pain or stiffness. Some days, I'll teach a class on injury prevention or design an exercise program to help people feel and perform better. I also hire students to become a therapy tech, which help me with almost everything in my day-to-day operations. I also welcome students to come shadow so they can see what this career looks like up close. Some skills for this role are good communication, problem solving, patience, and strong people skills. You also need to understand anatomy, movement, and exercise. For education, here's the path I recommend. In high school, take classes like biology, anatomy, and physiology, health science, and even PE, or sports training. In college, a degree in exercise science, kinesiology, physical therapy assistant, occupational therapy assistant, or athletic training gives you a strong foundation. There are also other routes that can prepare you, such as business administration, especially if you're interested in running your own practice one day. At the graduate level, many therapists pursue physical therapy, occupational therapy, or an advanced certification depending on their career goals. Working in this field is rewarding because every day I get to help people move better, stay active, and live healthier lives. If you're interested in sports, science, or helping people, this could be a career path for you. Thanks for letting me share my story, and I hope you'll imagine the possibilities in this field.